Good morning, almost fourth graders. Can you believe that it's your last few days of third grade? I'm both so excited for you all and also super sad to not have you in my class anymore. This week is a short week. However, we did still make you the weekly agenda for those of you who are using this to keep track of your work, as well as some Spirit Week options. Today's Spirit Week option is thankful thoughts and messages. Write a message to someone you are thankful to. It could be a friend, a parent, a sibling, or a teacher. I said teacher last because you could message your teachers from past or present. Did you know from your Outlook email you can email teachers like Mrs. Retzloff, Miss Smith, Mrs. Scott, anybody that you want. Also think about teachers that you had this year that helped you in WIN, the reading and math specialist you might have seen, or your special area teachers like Mr. Myler, Mrs. Corsal, Dr. Sakurato, and things like that. You can email these teachers or write a message to somebody who's nearby. You should continue your flat teacher adventures if you'd like to. Again, I'm still following up with you guys on Flipgrid as you post things. We also have a birthday slide today. Sherdevi, Adeline, Jai, and Brendan all have summer birthdays. So today and tomorrow you'll have the opportunity to make some videos for them. You can make one video that's for all four of them at once, or some of you know how to make a video and add a subject. So for example, you might make a video, make the subject Sherdevi, so Sherdevi knows to go and watch that video to listen to her birthday message. There are also birthdays from Miss Er's class, Nathan, Philip, Ethan, and Carlos, and you can feel free to wish them a happy birthday as well. The time is here. Some of you have posted videos, or you have friends and older siblings in 4th and 5th grade who have entered the talent show. Visit Flipgrid using the code below and the password to start watching some of the talent show videos. This again will be available today and tomorrow, so don't feel like you have to watch them all in one day. For reading and writing today, you're going to be creating a Flipgrid to reflect on your strengths and weaknesses throughout the school year. Ms. and I have provided you with some ideas of some of the skills that we have done throughout this school year. You can use these to get you started. Also, what are your plans this summer to continue to strengthen your skills? Will you continue to read? Are you going to challenge yourself? Will your family start a book club? Are you going to keep a summer journal? I don't know. For math today, you have your last escape room. This escape room reviews all of the different math skills that you've practiced from last week and throughout the entire year. So everything's kind of combined into one. See if you can escape and start reflecting on what you might need more practice with. Science today is optional, but we did provide you with a STEM activity. Some of you might have had me in 1st grade and done this activity in 1st grade, but your job is to construct a kite that will rise and stay up in the air. You could use things like tissue paper, plastic bags, popsicle sticks, string, tape, glue. I think when we made them, we used mostly tissue paper and straws and pipe cleaners, but use what you like and see if you can get it to fly. Have a wonderful day, and I'm here if you need me.